back to the channel. I would like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope that it was everything you hoped it was, and I hope that you had a good year considering all the circumstances. I do hope that 2021 is a lot better than 2020 because this has been a crazy year. One of the updates that I wanted to talk about is we have a couple big bills that weren't really expecting coming. We got to start paying that off in January. So as of right now, all work at the sanitarium is going to cease. I'll try to keep you all as updated as I possibly can, but we got to get these bills paid off so that we can hopefully continue the work maybe in the next 4 or 5 months. So as of right now, all work at the sanitarium is going to be ceasing. We're just going to leave things as they are, get these bills paid off, and then so hopefully be able to get back into the swing of things maybe by June. But that would be nice. But with all things considering, I thank everyone for subscribing. This year has been absolutely amazing. I'm going to leave a couple links down in the description for some interviews that we did for our local Midwestern State University for their class project, which was really cool and turned out really well. So, like I said from the beginning, I'd like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and I will update you as much as I can, but as of right now, until these bills are paid off, all work at the sanitarium is going to be ceasing. And we'll just get these bills paid off, and then we'll start back up hopefully by summertime next year and get back to making the laundry room and doing other various projects throughout the house. So, and so I do thank everyone for their this year has been insane. We've had like 700 and odd number of people that are new subscribers, and I appreciate that more than you'll ever know, and I appreciate everyone watching and commenting and subscribing, and it's really kind of boosted my desire to bring you along on this adventure. So I hope that you all have a good year, the rest of the year, and I hope that 2021 is a lot better than 2020. So thanks for watching, and as we get more information, I will hopefully put out videos to say what's been going on. So thank you, take care of yourself, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next year.